We're on location at the RAI E Conference in Toronto's Financial District, and I'm joined by Peter Smyrniotis, the CEO of HealthSpace. Thanks for joining us, Peter.
Hi, thanks for having me.
And so what brings you to the RAI E Conference, and why is it important for you to get your message out to investors?
Thanks for asking. The main reason we're here is to really tell the story of what HealthSpace is doing collectively and to support the initiative of the RAI E Conference at large. It's the first time they're running this event here in Toronto, and we thought it'd be important to provide some value, meet good people, establish more of a reputation here, and tell the story here to the Toronto and national audience.
And so just briefly, tell us a bit about your company for those people who may not know.
Excellent. So what HealthSpace does is provide data monitoring technology capabilities with workflow management. And what that really means is that if you have children, if you have parents who are in assisted living, if you eat at a restaurant, these locations are basically serviced by health departments and health authorities. And their responsibilities are to maintain a high level of performance so people don't get sick. People enjoy what's going on, and we feel safe going into these environments and making sure things are attended to. So our technology provides the ability for government to manage that internally. And past that, we're now taking this technology and enabling commercial enterprise organizations to be able to do preventative measures, to self-audit, provide guidance, and really protect their brand, look after their clients, and really do better at their job.
And so from what you said, and from what I understand, you've never actually lost a customer. And so tell us about why HealthSpace is so preferred in the industry.
The number one thing I can tell you is that HealthSpace has been servicing customers at the state level, provincial level here in Canada and the US for about 12 years. I'd say the number one reason that I took the job was the fact that they had the track record of not losing clients, and what underpins that is a deep commitment from the team in the product side and the sales side to really service their customers from top to bottom. We have renewals coming through regularly. Customers really do care about what we do with their data, how we organize our technology to support their initiatives. I think this ultimately drives a real sense of loyalty. And loyalty in technology is something that we think everyone should aspire to, and we're fortunate enough to have that.
That's great. Now, I heard your presentation earlier, and I think you mentioned that your company, you think, is undervalued. So tell us about why this is a great investment opportunity for investors.
Also another good question. To get to the point on that, the easiest way to frame it is that our existing government contracts are strong blue chip investments that investors can rely on. The business is going to continue to grow with a strong linear component. The future of the business's growth is focused on commercial enterprise, taking the same technology with a more advanced user experience and user interface, driving mobile initiatives and cloud-based technology that are higher margin, higher return, faster sales cycles, driving that into market, servicing food and beverage, assisted living, giving them the same preventative tools that we would offer to the government and letting them manage internally. Past that, every time we run an inspection, we collect a data point. This data set, this individual data set is quite valuable. Data, as you know, is a huge business. What's interesting about our data is that our data allows organizations to take advantage of the ability to service those organizations. For example, if you're dealing with fridge appliances or you're dealing with electricians and you see lights aren't out, these reports can be pushed out directly to vendors who support food and beverage, daycares, assisted living, and so forth.
Wow, that's great. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Peter.
Thanks, Duane. Appreciate it.
For more videos from the RAI E Conference, be sure to visit SmallCapPower.